Oh, I just love Slick Slime Sam. He's so cool. Oh, he's my favorite. Yeah, he is, right? I really like him too. He's so cool and crafty. Yeah. Oh, he's really good at drawing. Maybe we could draw a picture of Slick Slime Sam. Yeah, that's a great idea. Oh, all you unicorns, you should come and draw with us. Slick Slime Sam it is today. Yeah, and you too, Star. I can't today. I have a lot of homework to do. I better get that done. Oh, another time then, Star. Yeah, Star, another time. We love having you drawing with us. Okay, unicorns, let's draw some pink slime. Yeah, where's my pen? There it is. Ta-da! I am ready. Let's go. Okay, here we go, Slick Slime Sam. So we're starting with his really cool glasses. Now, I didn't have a thick pen, so I'm making 3 rounds on the glasses just to get that thicker line. You can do that too. Come on, try it. And now, let's make the eyes so he can see something. Would you be able to recognize Slick Slime Sam just by the eyes and glasses? I wonder if I could. But he's got very special eyes. Look at this little star he's got there. Slick Slime Sam got a star, and so does Bella's Unicorner. Yup. Star, 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 star. Okay, almost done with the eyes. Oh, there we go. Look at that. And now, we gotta finish the glasses. And now we're making his body. Boom, up and down, get the swirls right. Oh, there we go. Let's make this line a little bit thicker too. So we do it a second time. Oh, let's do it a third time to make it even thicker. There we go. Now it looks like the cartoon star that he is. And the glasses on this side. His little head. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're missing the mouth. Gotta have one of those big happy mouths. There we go. And the teeth. And the tongue. And those cute bumps in his cheeks. Oh, look at that. And now let's make this little outer line in case you want to cut him out and play with him. Yup, you can have a sticky-free slime on paper. There you go. Look at that. This is so much fun. Yeah, Bella, it's looking really good. I love drawing. Whee! Do the drawing dance. Okay, let's continue. Let's put some color on him. Okay, so we start with the black. Let's put some black in his mouth, in the back of his mouth. And then in the eyes. Oh, unicorns! What's Sam's eye color? Yup, brown. You guessed it right. What else is brown, Disco? Do you know anything? Meatballs? Yeah, they're brown. Alright, now we're putting a darker pink, like a shadow on his side here. And we're gonna put now some lighter pink on his body. Oh, such a cool glitter color. Pink like flowers. Flowers. Yeah, or like candy. Oh, look at him. Oh, I just love Slick Slime Sam. He's so pink, candy-licious color, slimy slime slime. Woo-hoo-hoo. It turned out really good, Bella. I love it. Oh, thank you, Disco. That is very kind of you to say. Alright, my dear unicorns, thank you for joining us today when we made Slick Slime Sam. If you really like and love Bella's Unicorner, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come along to the next episode now. What will I get up to?